YouTube, it's Shiya and I'm back with another prank. So today I'm going to be doing a baby powder joke on Chad, prank on Chad. So he's in the shower right now. So he usually washes beard and deep condition it, and when he get out the shower he get dressed and blow dry. So what I'm going to do is pour a bunch of baby powder inside the blow dryer. Hopefully he don't see it. I'm going to clean it all up so he can't see it, and then he cut it on, he's going to blow all on his face. Ooh, he's going to be so mad. I just keep getting Chad back with these pranks. I keep telling y'all he is not going to prank me. I'm the prank master. So I'm about to go upstairs right now because he's in the shower. And I'm going to go place this camera right in the window. Hopefully he don't see it. So Chad is in the back in the shower right now. And I'm about to go around and place the window. He asked me about that out, so plan B. I'm getting dressed and I'm about to put the baby powder right into the blow dryer. So now I clean it up so he don't know that I'm about to like all the baby powder off.
Now why the fuck is my hair coming out? Cause you gotta the Shiya!
What? What? What?
The fuck is you doing? Like, you play too fucking much.
Yo! Let me see your face. Yo!
You weird.
Look at the black Santa Claus. There's not even no more in there. Try to make me dusty like cum.
You play too fucking much.
So what, black Santa Claus? Come on, it's dusty in here.
You make somebody not even want to do a fucking YouTube channel.
Now you just don't want to do YouTube. That's what it's all about, pranking.
Alright, but it's a time and place. Somebody don't fucking
Oh, well, wash your hair all over again. Get back in the shower. How? Oh my gosh. You're mad. You're mad. You're mad. He gonna hand me both of the kids. He's mad, guys. Look right behind me.
Yo, get out, yo.
Look right behind me. He's mad.
Go give me a fucking rag.
No, I'm not getting you anything. I'm not. So guys, you already know what time it is. Team the Shiya. All day, every day. Like and comment and share. He coming out the bathroom. He's mad. Look, all that powder on his neck. He told me I got to do YouTube by myself because he's mad. But you got anything to say to the people? What? You got anything to say to the people?
No, I'm not ready.
Alright guys, thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share.